I'm Don Hammond, California's criminal defense hero. Today I'm going to talk about misdemeanor expungements. The vast majority of misdemeanor convictions in California are eligible to be dismissed after you complete the terms of probation, or if you weren't granted probation once you complete the terms of the sentence. When a case is expunged under Penal Code Section 1203.4, legally what happens is the plea of no contest or guilty, or the conviction, is set aside, a plea of not guilty is entered, and the case is dismissed. This allows you to answer on job applications or anywhere else, nope, never been convicted of a crime. On government sector applications, they'll still see it, and we can talk more about that. But if you have a misdemeanor conviction and you want to get rid of it so that on your job applications you can say, nope, never been convicted, give us a call, 323-529-3660. We're happy to help.